AI is more than just ChatGPT answering questions or using Midjourney creating pictures. And the crazy part is you don't need money to start. Things you're going to learn first is the 3 easiest AI income streams that you can start today. I'm also going to be sharing with you the step-by-step instructions for each of these methods with no fluff. And I'm going to show you how to get started with automated AI systems. So I want you to watch to the very end, because if you skip any one of this step, you could miss out on the exact method that could change your life. And before we dive right in, I want you to go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe in case you're new here, and let's get started. Most businesses right now, they need voiceovers for their marketing. So whether it's a YouTube video or an explainer, automation, audiobooks, or social media ads, this is non-negotiable. But here's the problem I see. Hiring professional voice actors is quite expensive. The goodness is that AI can now generate audio quality voices, and businesses, on the other hand, they're willing to pay for this. As long as someone sets it up for them, then they're good to go. And that is where your expertise come in. Step 1, you can use AI to generate professional voiceovers. You can make use of sites like 11 Labs, which is best for lifelike AI voices. People also make use of play.ht, which is great for audiobooks and ad voiceovers. You can use Morph AI. This is another great one, as it's perfect for explainer videos and YouTube content. So I want you to take a moment right now and think about this. Every single video out there on YouTube, every online ad, every podcast intro actually needs a voiceover, but most creators actually don't enjoy recording their own voice. Some think they have a thick accent, or some don't actually have the right equipment, and some just want a faster solution. Now, that is where AI voiceovers are game changers. Offer AI voiceover services on freelance platform. You can create a gig on Fiverr, Upwork, or even Freelancer. Set your pricing, and this could range from 30 seconds to 1 minute, $50 to $100 for a full voiceover. Even for audiobooks, prices can range from $50 to $500, which depends on the package you are offering. Then you can go ahead to message directly marketing agencies. Message them something like, hey, I noticed you create lots of content but might be spending hours recording voiceovers. I use AI to generate ultra realistic voiceovers in minutes, and I can help you save time. Don't forget to attach your portfolio, works that you've done, as this will help gain attention and gain trust. Reach out to YouTubers and other people out there that may require this service. Number 2, AI-powered document automation. Now, here is something that most people don't even realize. Business owners, they actually don't like paperwork, and I'm referring to contracts, invoices, proposal, onboarding documents, and the likes. It takes a lot of time, and most businesses, they don't actually have systems in place to create it. The good news is that AI can actually create this document instantly, and all you need to do is position yourself rightly, learn the right skills, and set your pricing. So the first step is start with ChatGPT, okay, to draft legal contract agreement or even business proposals. You can also use DocuPilot AI to generate contracts and invoices. You also have Tavern AI for HR onboarding documents. Think about the industries that use contracts and proposal all the time. You have real estate agents, lawyers, consultants, marketing agencies. These businesses are drowning in so much paperwork, and if you can give them a system that automates it, then you will be paid big for it. You can go ahead to charge $200 to $1,000 per setup. By offering ongoing support, you can charge an extra $50 to $100 per month. In case you're wondering, how do you go ahead to land gigs like this? The place to start is LinkedIn or Twitter or even Facebook groups. Search for businesses, contract contracts or proposal writers needed, and pitch to them directly. You could say, hey, I noticed you run a business and probably deal with lots of contracts, paperwork. I use AI to automate document creation and also to save businesses hours every month. Will you be open for a quick chat? Try this today. Reach out to 3 to 4 businesses offering to automate their contracts and invoices with AI and see how that goes. Next on my list is AI-powered AI consulting. Now let's be real, AI is confusing for most businesses. There are hundreds of tools out there and CEOs, managers, entrepreneurs, small business owners, they actually don't have time to figure them out. And that is where you come in. And the truth is they're willing to pay someone who can actually step in and tell them exactly what AI tool to use and how to integrate them properly to automate their operations. That someone can be you. So step 1, I would advise you learn the basics of AI automation. You don't need to be a tech genius. All you need is to be one step ahead of the business owner. And here is a quick way to get started. You can make use of ChatGPT, Zapier. This helps to automate customer service emails, replies, and business workflow. You can make use of Tavern AI or Google Docs. This helps to generate contracts, HR paperwork, and onboarding documents. You can also make use of Motion AI. It helps to create AI-powered scheduling and time management for businesses. Make use of Grammarly plus Jasper AI, as this helps to automate blog posts, emails, and marketing content. Just think about it as every single company is trying to integrate AI, but most of them are using it wrongly. They sign up for ChatGPT, Tavern AI, but they make a mess out of it. They actually need someone to guide them through it. You just need to know a little more than them. For pricing, you can charge $500 to $2,000 per client just to set up their AI automation for business. You can offer a one-time AI strategy session for $200. You can also sell a monthly AI optimization package for $300 per month. And the best part is that you don't need ads or a website to get clients. Here is where you can find them. LinkedIn is your number one stop shop. Business owners, entrepreneurs looking for AI automation. You can check Twitter as well, which is known as X, and you can say struggling with AI, work with me. You can also check Facebook groups, small business groups discussing AI challenges. A small note you can drop is, hey, I noticed you are looking for ways to integrate AI into your business. I specialize in setting up AI systems that actually saves business owners 10 plus hours a week to cut down on manual work. Let's set up a free strategy call. This will surely get their attention. So I want you to take a pause and go ahead to try this today. Send at least 3 DMs to business owners on LinkedIn, Facebook, and X. Start to streamline their workflow with AI. AI is not just the future, it's happening right now. Pick one of this method and go ahead to take action. Like this video and let me know in the comment section which of these AI jobs that you are willing to try on. Next week, I'm going to be breaking down how to scale AI businesses so you don't want to miss it. I will see you on the next one. And yes, don't forget to watch this video over here. See you inside.